Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to leave a space on Gmail. Whether it's a temporary break or you're looking to shift your focus, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow for a seamless transition. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Ensure it's up to date for the best experience. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap the Chat tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will direct you to your chat and spaces. Step 3. Now, find and open the space you wish to leave. Take a moment to review any important conversations you might want to save before moving on. Step 4. At the top of the space screen, tap the space name. This brings up more options related to that specific space. Step 5. Look for the option that says Leave. It's usually pretty clear, so you shouldn't miss it. Step 6. Finally, confirm your choice to leave the space. This is your last step, so double-check to make sure you're ready. And there you have it. You're all set and on your way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips.